In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch first. After 1 chain stitch, we'll work the first set. Mark the first stitch. 1 single crochet is done. Work 1 more single crochet. 1 increase. Okay. 1 set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We'll work 2 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. We have demonstrated the 2 sets. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. In round 7, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 16 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Also mark the first stitch. Please finish round 7 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 16 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch. In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, work 3 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 2 more single crochets. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 1 set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. In round 9, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 20 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, work 20 single crochets. Also mark the first stitch. Please finish round 9 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 20 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch. Round 9 is done. We can count the ways to check the number of stitches. There are 20 ways stand for 20 stitches. In round 10, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase 2 single crochets for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, the first set, 2 single crochets. Mark it. 1 more single crochet. One increase, which means working 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Next, 2 single crochets. Okay. 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and the 2 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and the 2 single crochets as 1 set. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. In round 11, start with 1 chain stitch. And then work 24 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Please finish round 11 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 24 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch. Here we'll skip the demo. In round 12, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 5 single crochets, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, work 5 single crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 4 more single crochets. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 1 set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 5 single crochets and 1 increase as 1 set. Finally, work 1 slip stitch. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch. And then work 28 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work the remaining single crochets. Please finish round 13 by yourself. Again, work 1 chain stitch, 28 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch. We'll skip the demo.